Hi there, my name is Paul Chrétien of California Builders and Washington Basements, and these are my customers George and Arlene. And what we contracted for was to convert a crawl space into a basement by hand digging it.
Having survived many attempts at home remodeling projects with different companies, we were pleasurably surprised to find Paul. He is great. He and California Builders did wonderful work. They gave us several options and several different plans to choose from. We finally settled on one, which was not the one I really wanted to do, but it was the one that met our budget. We were really pleasantly surprised when we came home one day to find out that Paul had expanded the scope of the project to give us a full basement rather than the partial basement, and no adjustment to our original estimate. Paul, I want to say again, I really appreciate that.
Thank you very much.
His crew was really experienced, and they took the time to respond to any question that I had, probably which were pretty numerous. And they had the patience to do that, and they knew exactly what they were doing, and I think they kind of enjoyed working with us and digging out the basement. It was great.
I would like to say, added to all of that, of course, the quality of work was excellent. They were very knowledgeable. One of the things that struck me was we had a very severe storm that lasted for a day and a half, and it was on a weekend, and he had his men off. But they decided to come by because it was raining so much to check on the house. Had they not come by and checked on the house when they did, they saved the house. We might be next door. So I want to thank Paul for his crew's dedication to their work and just an all-around pleasant experience. Thank you, Paul.
Thank you, I appreciate that, and it wasn't really work, it was fun. It was pure pleasure. And I really enjoyed working with both of you. It was just pure pleasure. So hopefully I can find many more customers like yourselves. We specialize in this type of work, crawl space to basement conversions in the Washington, Northern Virginia, and Maryland area. Please give us a call, 301-299-7725 or 703-533-1211. We'd be more than happy to give you a free estimate at your convenience.
And I would like to add that I really would highly recommend him for any project that you have. My husband had been trying for like 20 years to dig out our basement before we found Paul, and we had some structural issues down there. Paul fixed all of those. We had an inspector come out, and he said it was the best that he had ever seen as far as structural engineering and the underpinning of the walls. So again, we are quite pleased with what we had done.
And he has done more than we have asked him to do, and we are very appreciative of that fact. Thank you, Paul.
You're quite welcome. Appreciate it. It was a pleasure working for you guys. Thank you.